Here at US Window and Door, we offer the highest quality of products and customer service. From replacement windows and doors to our lifetime warranty on our service, we pride ourselves in communication, educating our customers, and a job well done from start to finish. When it comes to our customer experience, we value you, our process, and assuring that your confidence and satisfaction is reached every step of the way. For over 30 years, US Window and Door has proudly completed over 10,000 installs while adhering to the highest standards of quality, dependability, and communication.
US Window and Door offers complete service, replacement windows and doors, with everything being done in-house with our own employees. We don't use any subcontractors of any nature.
We make sure that we hire qualified people with great attitude, expecting the same that we expect, which is excellence and happy customers.
We've been servicing San Diego and Southern Orange County since 1987 and employ a team of 25 highly trained, motivated, hardworking, caring, and knowledgeable employees with years of industry experience.
The philosophy at US Window and Door is really customer service.
Customer service is the most important thing for us.
We are detail-oriented in everything. All of our contracts, all of our quotations.
We're trying to make it an easy experience for the customer.
Most of the customers are very happy, of course. They actually put a lot of reviews in our website.
We're going to be installing and giving you a lifetime warranty on your installation, which not many companies will do.
The product is rock solid. Our service and installation is rock solid.
We're a leader in our industry, and it shows in our work that we do and the employees that we have.
We do a good job.
To receive more information about our windows, doors, and installs, please visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.